How to activate Bank of America credit card. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Bank of America credit card. So first, open the Bank of America website on your browser. Once you are there, you will see the login form. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Then click Login to continue. On the main screen, you will see all your accounts. Click on your credit card account to open it. Now, on your credit card account page, click on Information and Services. Scroll down until you find the Manage Card Settings section and click on it. Under Card Settings, locate your credit card and click on the blue Activate Card button. Once clicked, you should see a message that says card activated. This means that your Bank of America credit card is now ready to use. And that's it. Your card is all set up and ready for use. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.